English together.
Questions and answers.
Wow, that was a good game.
You play really well.
Thanks, you're good too. My name's Leo. What's your name?
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. Do you come here often to play basketball?
Yes, I come almost every weekend. How about you?
This is my first time here. I just moved to this area last month.
Oh, really? Welcome. Where did you live before?
I lived in Chicago, but now I live near the park.
That's great. Do you like this city so far?
Yes, it's nice and clean. The people are friendly.
I agree. Do you play basketball for fun or in a team?
Just for fun. I like to stay active. What about you?
Same here. I play after work to relax.
What do you do?
I'm an IT technician. What about you?
I work at a coffee shop downtown.
Cool. Maybe I'll come for a coffee sometime.
Sure, we can play basketball again after.
Sounds great.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.